Don't blow a gasket. Stay cool and collected. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the meanings behind some of its most colorful expressions. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, don't blow a gasket. So, if you've ever come across this expression and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning together and learn how to use it in our daily conversations. Don't blow a gasket is an idiomatic expression that's often used in English-speaking countries. But what does it actually mean? In simple terms, to blow a gasket means to become extremely angry or upset, to lose one's temper in a rather explosive way. The phrase paints a vivid picture of a person's emotions reaching a boiling point, similar to a gasket in an engine blowing out due to excessive pressure. Interestingly, this expression borrows from the mechanical world, where a gasket is a seal in an engine. If an engine's gasket blows, it typically results in steam or smoke escaping, signifying a breakdown. Similarly, when a person is said to blow a gasket, it metaphorically suggests a breakdown in their ability to maintain their composure under stress or anger. Now that we understand what it means to blow a gasket, let's look at how to use this expression in everyday conversations. It's commonly employed as a caution or advice to someone who is getting increasingly agitated, as in, I know you're frustrated with the situation, but don't blow a gasket. Let's figure out a solution together. Or it can be used to describe someone else's reaction. When he saw the mess in the kitchen, he completely blew a gasket. Remember, this phrase is quite informal and is best used in casual conversations rather than formal or professional settings. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary or just want different ways to express the same idea, there are several synonyms and variations to don't blow a gasket. Some of these include don't lose your cool, keep your temper in check, don't fly off the handle, stay calm. These expressions convey a similar message of maintaining composure and not allowing anger to take over. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, don't blow a gasket. It's a colorful way to remind ourselves or others to stay calm and not let anger control our actions. English is full of such idiomatic expressions that make the language rich and enjoyable to learn. So, next time you're feeling particularly frustrated, remember this phrase and try to keep your cool. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing aspects of the English language with you. Stay tuned.